there's no one but you. Here, hold my heart. Stranger sound gets around us two. In between our sparks, you come and go like a monsoon rain. You hide and show like a lightning bolt. You have it all.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm doing an Easter decor unboxing. I hope you enjoy. Guys, with Valentine's Day officially over, I was excited to bring out my Easter decor. I love collecting all things bunny, guys, and I have these two tubs that I have in storage, and I love bringing them out and remembering what I have. I've been collecting Easter decor for a few years now, guys, and I must say it's a little addictive. I was really excited to find this Ray Dunn plate that I forgot I had. Ray Dunn's really hard to get here in Australia, guys. We get the odd piece in TK Maxx, but it really is like a needle in a haystack. I also love collecting Easter signs. These cute bunny signs from TK Maxx truly steal my heart. And you can imagine my delight, guys, when last year Woolworths Australia brought out these beautiful glam bunnies. And of course your girl Chelles had to get two of each colour. They are so sparkly and glam, and at night time, guys, they twinkle via the candlelight. I really can't wait to decorate with these ones. I can't wait to share with you my Decorate With Me for Easter, which will be coming up this week.
I was lost without any direction. Had a line so many times, but I needed attention. No matter what I say, no matter my regrets, things still been said.
I also love collecting these adorable little bunny plates. They are from Bed Bath & Table, and every year, guys, Bed Bath & Table bring out the cutest Easter decor. Kmart Australia also bring out the cutest Easter decor, like this lighted gold bunny. I picked him up about 2 years ago, but I'm pretty sure I did see him last year, so hopefully he'll come back.
But I'd lie again if I said it'll last forever. I know I make mistakes, it's just the way I am. That's why you have to know.
Also from Kmart is this super adorable egg wreath.
Something's broken, and I'm the reason. It's not that easy, knowing you'll do better without me. Without me, without me. Oh, oh, oh.
And I have a little soft spot for this cute little white bunny, also from Kmart. He was a DIY, guys, where I added a Dior ribbon.
There's only one thing to do, the last thing I wanna do. I know I have to let you go. 'Cause yeah, there's not a part of me that wants to.
Also from Bed Bath & Table is this most adorable little caravan. It lights up with a battery. I need to replace the battery here, guys, because it actually lights up a lot better here. But it is so adorable.
It's not that easy, knowing you'll do better without me. Without me. Without me.
I love collecting miniature items, guys, when it comes to my Easter decor. I absolutely love mini bunnies.
Back on it, when we escaped with our first real paycheck. Wasn't much, but we needed less, yeah, than we do now. We were driving along the coast. I felt the ocean breeze on my face. Wanted to go as far as we ever could. So many years have passed, but even though we were broke as hell, I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything. If I throw a coin down a wind.
And Easter wouldn't be Easter without an adorable baby chicken. How cute is this one?
I know you think of it too. They got him down and we ended up sleeping at the worst motel somewhere. We had rashes for days. Do you remember that? In spite of everything that we lacked, nothing compares to the freedom we had. I would do it again if you say the word. So many,
And I'm always on the hunt for the cutest sparkly Glam eggs.
but even though we were broke as hell, I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything. If I throw a coin down a wishing well, I wish I could feel it again, the way that I felt for you then. 'Cause even though I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything.
And Chelles just couldn't walk away from this beautiful Happy Easter sign when I walked into TK Maxx a few weeks ago. How adorable is it, guys? And then I spotted this ballerina bunny tea towel set. And guess what had to come home with me?
I wouldn't change anything. If I throw a coin down a wishing well, I wish I could feel it again, the way that I felt for you then. 'Cause even though I wouldn't change anything. I wouldn't change anything.
And one of my favourite bunnies of all time were these polka dot bunnies that I picked up last year at TK Maxx. Aren't they so adorable?
When we escaped with our first real paycheck, wasn't much, but we needed less, yeah, than we do now. We were driving along the coast. I felt the ocean breeze on my face. Wanted to go as far as we ever could. So many years have passed, but even though we were broke as hell, I wouldn't change it.
I also have a number of little doll-like bunnies. These bunnies came from TK Maxx as well, and I absolutely love the husband and wife bunny holding their carrots.
Sleeping at the worst motel somewhere. We had rashes for days. Do you remember that? In spite of everything that we lack, nothing compares to the freedom we had. I would do it again if you say the word.
I also adore bunny cushions, guys, and TK Maxx does it again with bringing out the cutest ones ever. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you in some small way when it comes to decorating for Easter. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, guys. Like this video, share it as many times as you can, and I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and become a part of Chelles Glam Home family. Don't forget to tap the notification bell, guys, because I'll be uploading that Decorate With Me for Easter very soon. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.